we will not benefit because that person is going to argue. That person is going to stare at you. Is it beneficial to us? No. Is it beneficial to the other person? No. Has it improved the environment? No. I was taken up, really taken up. It given me a choice, I feel like staying there. It was a wonderful experience being there. And we hope in the future, the next future, we will have such a size group here. We have got so many things that we documented. We have brought a lot of books, and we are going to do something like that. So again, this question is, are we going to, by saying all these things, does it going to improve our family relationship? It is not. You see, a child always keeps this back in their head. And I don't know, maybe you all should know what this. The mind, the conscious mind, the subconscious mind, this is the body. And everything that goes into the mind is through the five senses, whether negative or positive. Okay? What happens? We say the child forgets very easily. True. At 1 minute you shout at the child gets angry and disappears. The child is very angry. The next minute the child forgets everything and just comes to you. Daddy, Daddy, I want this. Daddy, Daddy, can we watch TV? Because the child forgets. And we take this for granted. But remember, everything that goes in, negative or positive, goes in through the conscious mind. It goes to the subconscious mind. It is always embedded there. And one day, when the child is grown up, whenever the child requires this, it can bring up. The child doesn't have the discrimination power to see whether it is negative or positive to accept. We ourselves don't have the discrimination power. We don't think. When we see something negative, when we hear something negative, do we have this discrimination power to see, oh, this is negative, I shall not take it into my subconscious mind, and I reject this? We don't reject it. We just take it, and the anger accumulates because someone has said something bad to us. It accumulates. But the child, we realizing all this, yet we can't discriminate this, and we take it. We fall for it, and that goes embedded in our subconscious mind. The child doesn't have the power to discriminate this. And whenever we say all these words, it just goes directly. And that's the reason why, when they are grown up, when they come to a certain age, they say these words out. And they can shout back. So what is the solution for all this? As we have done this questionnaire on anger questionnaire, what is the solution? Now I'll give you the philosophy of anger, physiology of anger, sorry. And also how to shun this anger. Okay, we'll just make it, go back to the same 4 groups. And I'll put 4 questions here. I want you all to discuss about each question per group.
Very good evening. Actually, this is emotion. I think somewhere it's not much different, no? I got some words, a lot of people give me, but I just see it's like emotion and this one, some kind of feeling can be negative or can be positive. Even sometimes we have to, right? Again, anger also feeling an emotion. Sometimes another was what I think is anger means definitely. All of us say, even I say, anger is bad. But sometimes you raise out the anger, voice out, just feeling out from you better than you keeping the anger in you. The damage will be worse. You keeping, just say you anything don't like, I'm not going to buy. Raise out immediately. Some of them try to keep. Now even I notice very softly, where you cannot imagine the fellow can be angry. But suddenly you see even most angry person cannot be compared with just one anger. Even the most angry people, that is what I do. It's very difficult to explain this thing. When this thing will disturb, and sometimes emotion is, I couldn't give you, I just explained it by tracking. Emotion, very simple thing, the tears all will come up. some of them even the good that's going to take place next second. They feel very cool. There's nothing. Sometimes there is very minor things. Okay, child just say you are writing very simple letter or something. The child comes disturb. Oh, that is a earthquake for you. The some of them is this I don't know how. It's individual and incidents now. Very difficult to. I think both I will say anger and emotion is mixed. But now you have to realize it. You must. I will say both negative, full of it. We cannot say emotion means all negative. No, I go negative. It will be mixed. Even anger also. I won't totally say anger. You keeping anger is more is dangerous than you just raise out. That is what I mean was. But I
shouldn't suppress it.
don't suppress it. Coming, you should be taking as it is. It's don't plan it. Then it's see sometimes. It's very difficult to judge. Okay, this group of people throw some incidents. Which things will trigger us to make angry or emotional? Again, it's subjective to debatable things. Very difficult to see how it is will disturb everybody. Difficult.
Yes.
Some say we go temple, like I tell my three daughters. All three is different. I will say the eldest one is very good. The second one is 10 times violent than. The third one is another 10 times more. In fact, I was complaining the first daughter. I was amazing. The second daughter come. Then I stopped. I was praising like. But the third one, see again another feeling is here. I supporting one child. Wife will be opposite. No, the elder child is good. I will say second child is again. We have to draw line. It's difficult to. It's another thing, emotion, anger. To whom we will be very angry, those are closest to us. Very closest to us. If sometimes you keeping, I think this is very bad. We should.
Good evening to everybody. Our group did question number 2. Explain the consequences of anger. I got my own experience. I am a walking volcano. I'm very angry person. And when I started, this one my friends all agree. When we started to get angry, our heartbeat increase. Blood pressure goes up, 220 to 130, even higher. And then our physicals will change, very ugly. And when I saw one day my face, we were very ugly. And I was screaming at the children. And when we got our brain, sometimes when we got angry ready, it's like jam ready. So we don't know what we are using against the children. And then the most important thing, when I got angry, I beat my children. I started to beat. And then I go standing them back. This is very terrible. And then screaming and yelling. Yes, it's true. I don't know how to explain, but it is very bad situation. And then one day, when I am in the good mood, my elder daughter, she came. She's 7 years old. She came, Amma, when you are good, you are good. But when you have got your temper, we are scared to come nearby you. That makes me very sad. So I know, anger. Thank you.
Good evening. Okay, our question is how anger begins, grows, and expression that describe anger. Okay, how anger begins. Normally when someone irritates you, then you get angry, or if you are tired, you are coming from work, you are very tired, and suddenly your children come and nagging you, and you get angry. Or you are frustrated, the contract that you supposed to get, you didn't get, this kind of things. And then when you instruct something to your wife or your children and they don't obey, then